Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Ben and Naomi have always been the central party hub, so as lockdown continues to ease, they knew they needed more space for friends and family to party, so they turned to us.
My name's Ben, this is Naomi. We bought our log cabin last year, just before lockdown and everything. I'm an electrical engineer by trade. Naomi's a housewife, she's got 2 young kids. We bought the cabin because we're kind of the hub of the family, if you like. We've always hosted parties, gatherings. We seem to be the main people to do it, so
we chose to put the cabin in that corner of the garden as well because we've got next door's garage. So in that corner of the garden, there wasn't a lot going on anyway, was there?
There's a bit of dead space.
We
really,
did notice it was a bit of a dead space because the sun kind of come over and it never hit that corner. So we definitely knew we wanted to do something with that corner quite early on anyway.
Obviously, as you can see by the pictures and videos, we've done it more centred toward the bar. It's more of an old school type pub than a bar. So it come on Saturday morning, and even by Saturday afternoon, we'd got the majority of it completed. It just slots together really. I had a few of my friends round, a few beers, chucked it up, and yeah, it come Saturday morning. By Sunday afternoon, it was up and built, wasn't it? It was waterproof.
Yeah.
Watertight.
See, they even turned building their log cabin into a party. They just can't help it.
In the back, we've built the actual bar. There's some shelving at the back. It's all made out of reclaimed scaffolding boards. And just CLS timber really. Underneath the main bar we've got freezer, a fridge, we've got the slush machine, we've got popcorn machine.
So there's like the storage and things for all our glasses.
Yeah, we've made all the storage. There's 2 tellies in there. Well, one's a projector, one's a TV. There's a little seating area in there. So sometimes if we have game nights with kids or we'll have film nights in there, we can all sit around, get a takeaway, have some food.
So we've even put like the blow up air mattress and things in there with the kids and had cushions and blankets and stuff on the floor, haven't we? And
yeah,
laid and watched the projector and things, which is really nice.
Yeah.
So obviously last summer we did manage to obviously have friends round and things, didn't we? Once obviously lockdown had eased a lot. But we do like to have all our friends round in one go and have, I say, a really big sociable gathering.
And then in front of the log cabin, we decked it all out, didn't we? So on there we've got a hot tub. So in the summer we can have the doors wide open. It's got many different uses, not just a pub. We've used it as a family together, but it is mainly centred around being the bar.
So it was like Christmas Day and things, wasn't it? Obviously, we decorated it all up for Christmas, and yeah, we obviously had the family in there, didn't we? Christmas Day, which was really nice. It was just somewhere a bit different as well, rather than just being in the house all the time. Just made it feel a bit more special, and
yeah, and that was
it just all fell together, didn't it? So I mainly did all the painting and things.
Yeah,
that's all I could really bring. But even our son is he was 4 at the time, wasn't he? He got involved and he put a few nails and stuff in the floor, didn't he? And he really enjoyed stuff. So obviously it's just as much for the kids as it is obviously for socialising with friends and family when we can.
Yeah, when we're actually allowed to. We kind of bought it and then that was it for the year. So we hadn't used it as we want to use it just yet, but we've got more than enough use out of it.
We've definitely got our use out of it just as a family unit, haven't we? And obviously extending the decking and things outside, it's become more of an area for us all, isn't it, to enjoy?
Yeah, and everybody else in the country's missed pubs and everything, and we haven't.
Yeah.
We've got one.
And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we go into another customer's garden. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.